This wasn't some candlelit bath with lo-fi beats and matcha lattes. Healing was trench warfare. It was blood on your knuckles and demons whispering in your ear at 2 a.m. You didn't glow up. You bled out. So don't you dare romanticize the process. You don't fix your life by making a vision board and hoping the universe delivers. You fix it by going to war with your own mind and winning. You fix it by getting dirty, broken, bruised, and still dragging yourself back to the fight day after day. Healing didn't feel good. It felt like dying to who you were, so you could become who you were meant to be. Section 1. Mindset shift. Let me tell you what healing really is. Healing is not about feeling better, it's about getting better, stronger, meaner, clearer. It's not soft, it's savage. You don't meditate your trauma away. You confront it like a soldier kicking down a door, not knowing what's on the other side. You want peace? You earn it. You fight for it. You wake up and go toe-to-toe with every lie your brain ever told you. You're not enough. You'll always be broken. You can't change. Lies. Every single one. But here's the truth. Healing is violent, not outwardly, inwardly. You don't become whole by avoiding the darkness. You become whole by dragging yourself through it and coming out the other side with your soul intact. Every breakdown you survived was a war zone, and every scar you carry, that's proof you kept walking. We get taught to chase calm, but real healing is chaos first. It's tearing the house down before you rebuild it brick by brick. You want clarity? It comes after confusion. You want strength? It comes after surrender. Healing isn't just self-help, it's self-confrontation. Section 2. Real talk and storytelling. Look at David Goggins. Grew up abused, hated, overweight, broken. He didn't find healing in a journal. He found it in suffering, in running 100 miles with fractured shins, in owning his pain so deeply that it became his power. People called him crazy. He didn't care, because the goal wasn't to be understood. It was to become undeniable. Same with Kobe Bryant. That man didn't just practice. He obsessed. He didn't treat the game like a hobby. He treated it like a war. Every missed shot, every loss, ammo. He didn't heal from failure by escaping it. He healed by facing it head on, analyzing it, owning it. Think of Viktor Frankl, Holocaust survivor. He lost everything: family, freedom, dignity. And yet, in the darkest hell a human can endure, he discovered this truth. Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is your power. Power to choose. Power to define your own response. Power to heal without needing the world to hand you closure. Your story might not be as loud, but it's just as powerful. Maybe your war is silent. Maybe no one sees it. But if you keep showing up anyway, if you keep choosing growth over comfort, you're in the fight. And that means you're winning. You are your own rescue mission. No one's coming. No one's saving you. But here's the beauty. You were always the hero. Section 3. What people get wrong. Now here's where most people screw it up. They think healing is passive. They think it's about letting go. Nah. Healing is about holding on. Holding on when everything in you wants to quit. They think self-love means bubble baths and turning off your phone. Real self-love is discipline. Real self-love is saying no to your old patterns. It's saying, I don't negotiate with my weaknesses anymore. Most people talk like victims. This happened to me. They did this to me. Yes, it happened. Yes, it hurt. But what are you going to do about it now? Feelings are valid, but they don't give you a pass to stay stuck. We live in a world that profits off your numbness, off your distraction. Healing? That's rebellion. People think healing is linear, that it's this upward slope of peace and insight. Healing is crawling through mud, falling back into patterns, screaming into pillows, and still getting up. They think you're weak for crying? Number. Weak is pretending you don't feel. Strength is feeling and not letting it stop you. Section 4, the battle plan. So here's the plan. Step 1, get brutally honest. Where are you weak? Where are you lying to yourself? Where are you escaping? Name it. Drag it into the light. Step 2, build discipline like a religion. Not motivation. Motivation is mood. Discipline is war paint. Wake up at 5 if you have to. Go for that cold shower. Journal with rage if that's what it takes. But show up every damn day. Step 3, stop negotiating with your past. You're not your mistakes. You're not your trauma. You are the person who survived it. And that means you have more power than you think. Step 4, move. Not perfectly. Not beautifully. Just move. Do the reps, make the call. Write the page. Cut the toxic relationship. Healing happens in momentum. Step 5, build an inner circle of assassins. Not yes men, not comfort zombies. People who call you on your BS. People who say, you're better than this. Step 6, learn to fight in silence. Not every battle needs an audience. Not every step forward needs applause. Your growth is between you and the mirror. Section 5, mastery and longevity. Now listen up, because this part is everything. Consistency beats talent. Emotional control beats motivation. Peace beats hype. If you want to be a weapon in this life, you need to stop sprinting and start marching. One foot in front of the other, through rain, through fire, through the days that suck, because that's where greatness is built. Mastery isn't sexy, it's not loud, it's not viral, it's boring as hell sometimes. But that's where power is, in the repeat, in the representative, in the ritual. You want to be unstoppable? Then be unwavering. You want to last longer than the hype? Then stop chasing dopamine. Start chasing purpose. Keep showing up when no one claps. Keep doing the right thing when no one watches. That's how warriors are born. That's how legends are built. Final section. So no, healing wasn't a vibe. It wasn't a sunset and a playlist. It was war, and you fought it. Maybe you're still fighting. Good. That means the story's not over. So pick up your sword, pick up your scars, and walk like the battlefield belongs to you. Because it does. Now go. Become someone no one can ignore. Bleed louder than they ever spoke against you. Remember, you don't heal to become soft. You heal to become invincible. This is your war. And it ends when you decide.